Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holders? So this time Dogecoin is moving up 6.88%. Congratulations, everyone, because Dogecoin is starting moving up. If you can watch my latest new or latest update, a previous video about Dogecoin, then absolutely I tell you today gone falls down. But after a 1 hour they starting moving up. Congratulations. In the last 24 hours they very badly falls down, my friends. Dogecoin, and not just unique Dogecoin, every cryptocurrency and last 24 hours very badly falls down, but they take again high jump. So this is good news for Dogecoin holder. Please subscribe this channel for latest news and updates. I updating you every time. Let's get started the price prediction of Dogecoin. Guys, if you can see here, this is the, you can see here the man, I draw a two line, and then we the prediction is telling you to, okay, so this is selling time, holding time, or buying time, and they're going up in upcoming time or going fails down. So absolutely exactly you can see here, after the, you can see here, and focus on this point, they're going up, they're going very big jump, they get a very big jump, but after jump they take a very badly falls. So they take a very bad falls, you can see here, bad dump. But after this bad dump they also take again jump, my friends. So this is the circulation, you can see here, sometimes they going up, sometimes they going up, but after jump they also take a very bad dump, but after, and also after dump they take a very high jump. So this is exactly the high jump, but after that absolutely exactly they going sometime very badly falls, but absolutely they going up very highly, they going up. The target as Dogecoin as 0.3203 is the latest price, and the target as $1 today can cross it just in a few days. Absolutely this is very high target, but I hope they can cross it if they're moving like this. Exactly this time for 6.92% then going up. Congratulations, my brother. Dogecoin is moving up. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like this video if you need this type more latest video. Please like and subscribe and tell me what you say. Can they go up in upcoming time or not? Please tell me. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.